Hello everyone, myself Dr. Chuda Ratnakaraye, working as assistant professor in Government Engineering College. I welcome you all to the lecture series on digital image processing as part of 7th semester subject. This video is a part of learning management system under the Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. In this session, we have the following contents: understanding adjacency, connectivity, regions and boundaries. Now let us look at adjacency. If two pixels are adjacent, if they are neighbors and their gray levels are similar. Very important, it should be neighbor of a pixel and the similar or the same gray level should be there. Let us consider a set V be a set of intensity values used to define the adjacency and connectivity. Let us consider a binary image with set V having intensity value 1 if you are referring to adjacency of pixels with value 1. Similarly, let's consider a grayscale image with a set V typically obtains more elements, for example V equal to 180, 181 up to 200, 182 and 200 means referring to the adjacency of pixels with values 180, 181, 182 and 200. Therefore, set V can be any subset of possible intensity values between 0 to 255. Now let's consider the example of such image with a binary image where the intensity values will have only two possible values, 0 or 1. If you are considering V equal to 1, that means the set consisting of intensity values 1 which are connected here. We can observe in the figure 8.1. So those are called the adjacent pixels. Now the types of adjacency you can observe. There are three types of adjacencies, that is 4 adjacency, 8 adjacency and M adjacency. If you consider the 4 adjacency, 2 pixels P and Q with values from V are 4 adjacent if Q is in the set N4 of P. That means if you consider a 2 pixels P and Q and referring for the values present in the V are 4 adjacent if key Q is in the set N4 of P. 8 adjacency. 2 pixels P and Q with values from V are 8 adjacent if Q is in the set N8 of P. It should be in the 8 neighbors of P. That's the meaning. M adjacency is nothing but the mixed adjacency. 2 pixels P and Q with values from V are M adjacent if Q is in 4 neighbors of P or Q is in diagonal neighbors of P and the set N4 of P intersection with N4 of Q has no pixel whose values are from V. There should be no intersection. This mixed adjacency is basically a modification of 8 adjacency. It is introduced to eliminate the ambiguities that often arise when 8 adjacency is used. We can see in the example 1. Let's see the arrangement of pixels. Now let us consider the pixel in that are 8 adjacents as in figure B. You can observe the adjacency in figure B is shown in dashed line. So you observe that from the center pixel P with intensity value 1 to the pixel Q, that is with intensity 1, that is the diagonal pixels if you observe, very importantly, to reach from P to Q from the center pixel to the corner pixel, there are two connectivities. One is in the vertical connectivity, then horizontal connectivity. The second one is the diagonal connectivity. That means from P to Q, there are multiple paths are existing. Therefore, this ambiguity we have to eliminate. That can be eliminated using the mixed adjacency, where it will provide single path, single connectivity between the center and the corner pixel. That means this ambiguity present in 8 adjacency can be eliminated by the mixed adjacency, that is M adjacency, where the condition is the diagonal path we are eliminating. In the example, as I told, we can note that to connect between two pixels, finding a path between two pixels. That is, in 8 adjacency, we can find multiple paths between two pixels, while in M adjacency, we can find only one path between two pixels. Therefore, M adjacency has eliminated the multiple path connection that has been generated by the 8 adjacency. Now let us see the example number 2 for 8 adjacency and M adjacency. Now here you can see the N4 of P and N4 of Q, where the N4 of P will give you the horizontal and vertical connectivity, which are adjacent pixels, and N4 of Q for the corner pixel, which is Q, and for that the adjacent pixel is the one which is horizontal neighbor, that is N4 of Q. And similarly, so the intersection between these two has no pixels you have to consider to generate the M adjacency. That means the multiple paths established during the 8 adjacency, and that confusion we have to eliminate using M adjacency. That means the diagonal path we have to eliminate. That's what here as shown in here. The intersection of the N4 of P and N4 of Q has no pixels. Thereby you will have only the adjacent pixels with single connectivity, single path. Therefore, that adjacency we can use it to have the connectivity. So connectivity is another concept in establishing the boundaries of an object and components of regions in an image. When two pixels are connected, and if you assume that if the pixels are adjacent in some sense, let us say 4 neighbors, and if their gray levels satisfy a specified criterion of similarity, let us say if the gray levels are same or equal, then you say that the two pixels are connected. That means there is a path established between the two pixels. For example, given a binary image with a grayscale 0 to 1, two pixels may be 4 neighbors but are not considered as connected unless they have the same values. Let V be the set of values used to determine the connectivity. For example, in the binary image V equal to 1 for the connectivity of pixels with a value of 1, and similarly for the grayscale image for the connectivity of pixels with a range of intensity values, say 32 to 64. Okay, that means it has the set 32, 33, 34 till 64. So connectivity between two pixels, you have 3 types of connectivity: 4 connectivity, 8 connectivity, and M connectivity, as you have seen in the adjacency. So pixels P and Q with values from V are 4 connected if Q is in the set N4 of P. Similarly, for 8 connectivity, it's supposed to be 8 adjacent, that is pixels P and Q with values from V are 8 connected if Q is in the set N8 of P. The mixed adjacency or mixed connectivity, pixels P and Q with values from V are M connected if Q is in the set N4 of P and Q is in the set ND of P, and the set N4 of P intersection with N4 of Q is empty, that is not element of V. This is the set of pixels that are 4 neighbors of P and Q and whose values are from V. So for M connectivity, the value of distance, that is length of the path between 2 points, depends on the values of the pixels along the path. Now let us consider an example for M connectivity. Consider the given arrangement of pixels and assume that P, P2 and P4 with the values 1. P1 and P3 can be 0 and 1. Let's look at the arrangement with P, P1, P2, P3 and P4. Let's consider if V is a set with intensity value 1 and P1 and P3 both are 0, then look at the M distance between P and P4 is 2. You can see in the first figure in the bottom where you modified the P1 and P3 to 0, then the distance from P to P4, that path, what you can observe, the distance is P to P4 is 2. If either P1 and P3 are 1, then M distance between P and P4 is 3. If P1 and P3 are 1, then M distance between P and P4 is 4. This is that example, and the same modified version for M distance, that is between P and P4, is 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Now let us consider the region and boundary. So region defined as R, it is be a subset of pixels in an image. R is called a region if every pixel in R is connected to any other pixel in R. So the boundary of a region R is the set of pixels in the region that have one or more neighbors that are not in R, also called border or contour. If R happens to be an entire image, then its boundary is defined as the set of pixels in the first and last rows and columns in the image. This extra definition is required because an image has no neighbors beyond its borders. Normally, when we refer to a region, we are referring to subset of an image, and any pixels in the boundary of the region that happens to coincide with the border of the image are included implicitly as part of the region boundary. Regions that are not adjacent are said to be disjoint. We consider 4 and 8 adjacency when referring to regions. We can consider Ri and Rj are two regions are adjacent only if 8 adjacency is used. The boundaries. So the boundary of a region R is the set of points that are adjacent to points in the complement of R. You can observe the red colored one is a member of border if 8 connectivity is used between region and background. If it is not, if 4 connectivity is used. So we have come to an end of the discussion of the topics today. So in order to have better understanding of the topic, so let us focus on multiple choice questions. The first question, two regions are said to be dash if their union forms a connected set. Option A, adjacent. Option B, disjoint. Option C, closed. Option D, none of the mentioned. The right answer is option A. The regions are said to be adjacent to each other. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a type of adjacency? 4 adjacency, 8 adjacency, M adjacency, none of the mentioned. The answer is D, that is none of the mentioned. Mentioned all are a type of adjacency. Question number 3. For a region R, the set of points that are adjacent to the complement of R is called as dash. Option A, boundary. Option B, border. Option C, contour. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer is D. The words boundary, border and contour mean the same set. Fourth question. If an image contains k disjoint regions, what does the union of all the regions represent? Option A, background. Option B, foreground. Option C, outer border. Option D, inner border. The right answer is option B, that is foreground. The union of all regions is called foreground and its complement is called the background. Next question. If R is a subset of pixels, we call R a dash of the image if R is connected to set. Option A, disjoint. Option B, region. Option C, closed. Option D, adjacent. The answer is option B. It is the region of the image. Next question. If S is a subset of pixels, pixels P and Q are said to be dash if there exists a path between them consisting of pixels entirely in S. Option A, continuous, B, ambiguous, C, connected, D, none of the mentioned. The right answer is option C, that is connected. Seventh question. In four neighbors of a pixel P, how far are each of the neighbors located from P? Option A, 1 pixel apart. Option B, 4 pixels apart. Option C, alternating pixels. Option D, none of the mentioned. The right answer is option A. That is, each pixel is a unit distance apart from the pixel P. Eighth question. Mixed adjacency is a modification of dash. 4, 8, both A and B, none of the mentioned. Answer is B. It's a modified form of 8 adjacency. Ninth question. The another name which is used for the boundary is option A, border, option B, contour, option C, both A and B, option D, all the mentioned. The right answer is option C, that is border as well as contour. 10th question. Which of the following is defined as the set of pixels in the first and last rows and columns of the image? Option A, boundary. Option B, regions. Option C, adjacency. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer is option A, boundary. So these are the references for further reading, and thank you for watching the session.